This is the Prism deck by Joshua J, and I'm trying to figure out how to put this. I think I'm gonna say, if you're a magician, you should have this trick. That's how much I like it. It is fantastic. It's a color changing deck routine, but the way that it's structured and the options that it gives you allows you to do card tricks with the deck before the deck changes and all the cards change into having different colored backs. It's not just a red deck to a blue deck, it is a red deck to a deck where all 52 cards are different colored backed. Some added bonuses to this: the cards are marked, there are gaffed cards that will allow you to enhance other tricks. They really went all out, found as much stuff that they could pack into this as they could. And it's not just one trick, it's just a bunch of tricks, a bunch of routines that are possible with the Prism deck, all on the instructional DVD. This is a fantastic buy. Go get Prism deck.